Hello students, how are you all? Are you doing your studies regularly? Yes, it is very necessary that you do your studies regularly, isn't it? Yes. So today we are going to start with a new lesson and the name of this lesson is Hello. So what do you feel? What may be this lesson about? Can you just think what it can be? From the title of the lesson, can you recognize? I will tell you. This lesson is going to help us or it is going to teach us how to introduce ourselves. What is introduce? Do you know? Introduce means to make know about ourselves. Or you can see when you go to some new place or when you meet some new people, what we do? We introduce ourselves to each other. Yes, introduce means to give our basic information like we tell what is our name, from which place we belong, or we tell about our likes and dislikes. Yes, we give the basic information about ourselves to others. So, जब हम किसी नई जगह पर जाते हैं या फिर हम किसी नए इंसान से मिलते हैं तब हम अपनी पहचान बताते हैं. That is called as introducing oneself, giving information about oneself. So when we meet some new person, we make use of the words like hello, hi, and then we continue with our talking. We say hello, I am so and so. We tell our names. Or we say, hi, my name is. Yes, this is the way we introduce. We make the other people know about others. So, in this topic that is hello, here are some animals. So, it is a very lovely topic or we can say it is a very funny topic because in this topic or in this lesson, some animals, they are introducing themselves. That is, they are giving their information to us. They are telling us their names or they are telling us about their likes, about how they are, yes, what they like to eat. All these things are told by these animals. So, some animals are introducing themselves in this topic. Okay, now you can see this picture. Yes. This is the first page of the lesson. You can see here two children. They are talking to each other. They are introducing themselves. They are saying hello, hi, and they have started introducing themselves. They are developing a friendship by talking to each other. So here on this first page we have two animals. Yes, can you see this? This is a bug. It is a insect and here you can see a fish. So now I will read out to you what is this first animal or an insect telling. So it is saying, hello, I am Smally. Come, meet my friends. We all live in the forest. I am a bug. So what is this small insect saying? It is saying, hello, I am Smally. So the name of this bug is Smally and it is saying, come, meet my friends. I will introduce you to my friends. I will make you know to all my friends. We, that is all the friends of mine, we live in a forest. Where do these animals live? These animals, they live in a forest. And it says, I am a bug. So it is telling what type of insect. What is its name? Its name is Smally and it is a bug. It is a type of insect. The next picture here you can see it is a fish. So what is this fish saying? I will tell you. Hello, I am Goldie. I live in water. I love to swim. I am a fish. So what is this fish saying? The fish is saying, hello, I am Goldie. So the fish is saying that my name is Goldie and I live in water. Where does a fish live? The fish, they live in the water. So the Goldie the fish is telling, I live in water and I love to swim. So all the fish, they keep swimming in the water. And so the fish is saying, I love to swim and I am a fish. Yes. So this is the way. The words like hello and hi are used to introduce. When we start talking to others, we make use of these words hello or hi, and then we continue with other talking things. Okay. So now the next page. Now have a look at this picture. Here are few animals and birds which are introducing them. That is, they are giving information about them. So at the top you can see a frog. So what is it saying? Let's read it out. Hello, I am Froggy. I love to swim. I am a frog. So what is this frog saying? My name is Froggy and I love to swim. So it is saying that it loves to swim in the waters. Also to the next side you can see a parrot and it is saying, hello, I am Parrot. I have a red beak. I can fly. I am a parrot. So what is the parrot saying? The parrot is saying that my name is Parrot and I have a beak which is red in color and I can fly. So it is saying that I am able to fly in the sky and I am a parrot. The next is a monkey. So the monkey is saying, hello, I am Chatter. I have a long tail. I love peanuts. I live in trees. I am a monkey. So what is the monkey saying? The monkey is saying that my name is Chatter. Chatter means, the meaning of chatter is keeping on talking. So maybe this monkey keeps making some sounds or keeps talking, so it is called as chatter. And the monkey is saying, my tail is very long and I love peanuts. Peanuts means shenga. In Marathi we call it shenga. And it says that I live in trees. So it says that I live here in the trees. And it says I am a monkey. The next picture is a elephant. So what does it say? It says, hello, I am Jumbo. I am big. I have a long trunk. I love bananas. I am an elephant. So the elephant is saying, my name is Jumbo. I am very big. I am huge in size and I have a long trunk. What is a trunk? Trunk. That is the, in Marathi we call it sond. So the elephant has a trunk, that is sond. And the elephant says that I like bananas. I love bananas to eat. And who am I? I am an elephant. So this is the way these animals are introducing themselves. They are telling their names, they are telling about what they like to do, or they are telling about where they live and what things they can do. This is the way the animals, they are introducing themselves. Let's move on to the next page of the topic. Here you can see, here there are two more animals, a lion and a rabbit. So what is the lion saying? The lion is saying, hello, I am King. So the name of this lion is King. And what is the lion saying? I have a long tail. Can you see the tail of this lion? Yes, it is long. So the lion is saying, I have a long tail. I live in a den. So where does the lion live? The lion lives in a den. Den means a cave or a big hole that is made in the mountains. It is called as a den or cave. And so the lion is saying, I am King. My name is King and I have a long tail and I live in a den and I am a lion, the king of the jungle. Okay, so the next is a rabbit and the rabbit is saying, hello, I am Guinea. So it is saying, my name is Ginny. I have a white fur. So it is saying, I have white color hairs. Fur means hairs. So I have a small tail. So how is the tail of this rabbit? The rabbit is saying that my tail is very, very small. I love carrots. So it is telling about its likes. It is saying that I like to eat carrots. What are carrots? In Marathi we call gajar. You might be knowing these names, isn't it? Yes, I live in a burrow. So the rabbit is saying, I live in a burrow. Burrow means a hole, big hole which is made in the soil. So the rabbits, they make their houses in the soil. They make big holes in the soil and they live there. And the house of a rabbit is called as a burrow. So the rabbit is saying, my name is Ginny. I am having white hairs. I have a small tail. I like to eat carrots and I live in a burrow and I am a rabbit. So all these animals have taught us how to introduce ourselves, how to start talking to others. How can we introduce? So these animals, they are using the words like hello, hi, and they are telling about themselves. They are giving the basic information about them and they are introducing themselves. So students, you are also required to learn how to introduce oneself when you go to some new places. Suppose when you go to the school, yes, you have to, the first day of the school, what you do? You introduce yourself to the teacher. You introduce yourself to your classmates. So this is the way. So you have to learn to introduce yourselves. I hope you all are going to learn this method, making use of these words like hello, hi, and you will introduce yourself. You can tell your name. I study in class. You can say my name is. I study in class 1. Then you can tell I study in the school. The name of the school you can tell. You can also tell about what you like, about the subject you like. Yes, all the basic information about you, you can tell in your own words, and this is the way to introduce oneself. Okay?